So my friend, how you make a very good dropshipping video ads into or from a image. So I will show you how you can make exactly viral dropshipping video ads, which is very converting, and your dropshipping stores will be very profitable by only the dropshipping ads, because it is very important. If you don't make a good ads, then you will never get any sales. First of all, this is a Labubu products. I am always showing this product because my many clients selling these products, and it's example, okay? But if you right now start this product, it can be very difficult, or I'm not sure you can sell also, because the market is almost saturated. So it's just for only example. So for example, you find this product on AliExpress. So what you will do, this image you should make a video ads, because image ads right now it's not working, and in 2025 people are making a lot of very high converting ads, video ads, okay? And I see only few or like 20% people are making static ads, I mean image ads, but it's working. But you have to follow that, whether that many people are doing video ads, so you should also focus on video ads. So by this image, how you will make video ads? In here is no video, because like everything is only image, a lot of image. So you don't need any AI image video editor or paid tools, or I see a lot of YouTubers showing you that within a image, by the image you can make a video ads, but these are the very limited, and you must purchase the paid tools. So you don't need to go there, just follow my systems. So I will make the video ads by these products. So what you will do, you will go to TikTok, and then only you will search on Labubu, okay? When you will search by the product name, you will see a lot of product video ads, many customers showing the products, the reviews. This one is also good. You will see that it's in the thumbnail, and a lot of types of video ads. So you just find or match the product. By matching the product on AliExpress and your products, and when it will be matched, then just download this video, okay? No problem, it's simple, it's no copyrighted. But after download, you have to do some things very special, okay? So if you copy, for example, if you copy a TikTok video to make a video ads, and if you recreate, okay, by your own creativity, then it's a very good ads, because everything comes from some things like copy, okay? So we see a lot of ads or a lot of creative that is like we think that it's unique. No, they also copy from others, whether it may be the idea, it may be the script, it may be some things, okay? So you don't need to overcomplicate it. It's very simple. Just choose any video. So if I click this video, for example, and this girl's showing the review, okay, and we can see that also the comment, which is very excited that how much is Labubu. Okay, you can see the video, okay, we can see. So big into energy, okay, all right, it's unboxing. Wow, it's nice. So varieties types of Labubu she is showing us, and okay, yeah, we can definitely use this. And also here is a very advantage, that in here no text in the video. So in the next step I will show you how you can make a very good dropshipping ads, okay? The video it's end, so I just go to the next step, okay? So I'm closing the video, and now your job will be, you will go to my on my system, just follow. So my first step is remove the sound. Okay, wait, I am marking to show you more clearly. Okay, yeah. So remove the sound. So your job will be just delete the sound. You can edit on Canva. Okay, no problem. From Canva, when you will delete the sound, then you will add your own voice, which is very, very important. So how you will add voice? In my channel, YouTube channel, you will see that this content, wait, I will show you. You will see my this video, okay, create viral UGC ads. Okay, this video you will see also on my playlist, no problem. Create viral AI UGC ads. Okay, this one. In the video you will see everything how I made a video. Okay, and then you should add your own voice and add text in the video. Okay, my recommendation, just see the full video which I showed you. Okay, and last, the CTA, which is very important. CTA means you will add your product page on the video. Okay, I mean, it can be like just buy now, it's limited offer, this types of. Okay, and okay, there's the 4 fundamental of to make a very basic, and by these fundamental, people are making million dollar. Okay, because it's very, very simple. But people are making, oh my god, I need video editors, I need a lot of creative, lot of hooks. No, just take a video from TikTok, then add your own voice by removing the original sound, add text in video, last the CTA, that's it. And then start running on ads on FB, on Meta ads, on Instagram ads, TikTok ads, no problem, whatever you want, on Snapchat chats. Okay, so these are the systems that I am showing you, very basic. But in the YouTube you will see lot of types of video, just they are promoting their affiliate systems of AI software. Okay, they will get commission. No, I am not showing you any commissions of my description, no apps, okay, in my description. So just follow this system and just comment below if you feel any problem. So that's it. And if you need any dropshipping help, just comment below, I will help you. In the description you will find my all contact details, and please subscribe. Okay.